What's up, guys? Hope you're doing well. Monty to bring another video. I'm gonna be doing a single lap. I'm gonna do a 3-lap race at Ocean View using Sonic. What? Onion!
Sorry, gotta run!
As always, I hope y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like it, favorite, share it, subscribe if you already haven't. Leave a comment down below if you letting me know what you want to see next and how I can improve my videos. Check out my other videos to see what I've been up to. Subscribe if you already haven't by now. Let's have a good one, and God bless us. See you next time. God bless us. Yeah. Yep, showing off my sticker collection and my license. Yeah, y'all have a good one. Be seeing y'all next time. As always, peace out. God bless.